Hi friends, welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. I hope that you're all doing great. Today I am taking you along to Dollar Tree to check out their fall decorations. So if you're interested in tagging along, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the shopping trip. In the garden section, they have leaf garlands, ceramic pumpkins, and some tabletop decor with buffalo check. One in yellow that says grateful, and one in black that says give thanks. Kind of hidden in the back are some wooden pumpkins, some in orange that say gather with grateful hearts, and some in off-white that say pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Don't worry, I picked up these seeds that fell over. Below those are some more ceramic pumpkins in traditional fall colors and some berry garlands. Next up is a variety of flowers. And below are some green wooden pumpkins that say eat, drink, and give thanks. We start this section with the wreath forms, and all of these hanging wall signs are new this year, except for the large pumpkin on the left that says thankful and blessed. Here we have some more new signs, at least new to me. There's a green felt banner with gather, football, so cute, and a brown felt banner with a turkey that says grateful and blessed. There are also some square signs with a wood green background and one with the red truck. Another new sign is this one that says sunflowers, hay rides, and pumpkins. I think that is really pretty. The maple leaf is also new, as well as all the signs to the left. Here is a variety of foam and burlap pumpkins, which I believe are from last year. On one of the end caps they had some berry picks, and next to those are some garden stakes. The one with the red truck is from last year, but all the others are new. I love the one with family, friends, and football. In the kitchen section of the fall decorations are these square bowls that are tapered at the bottom, and these are in two different designs. They had a few table covers. They also had plastic wine glasses in three different prints. Autumn leaves and pumpkins please, hello fall love, and happy fall. They have some square plastic containers with lids that say happy fall wishes. Next to those are some plastic trinket trays, the green maple leaf, pumpkins in kind of an orange gold, and pumpkins in a champagne color. Below those are some oval-shaped paper plates with a printed border in two different designs, an oval-shaped melamine serving platter, and napkins in a variety of styles and colors. Dollar Tree normally makes sets of 4, so if there is another one or two sets that I haven't seen, let me know in the comment section below. I think these are so beautiful. They also have some round paper plates in the two different designs. They have wire wreath forms in round, footballs, and large pumpkins. And below those are the cutest scarecrows. Here are some garden stakes that look like ears of corn in yellow and orange, and some fall picks. Here is a variety of art projects for the kids. Mesh tubing and these beautiful dahlia flower clips. There is a variety of pre-made bows, some maple leaves and pumpkin clips, and window clings. Here are small pumpkin picks in velvet, foam, and glitter. Next to those are faux corn decorations and metal words that say thankful, harvest, and welcome. In the crafting section, they have small wooden pumpkins, turkeys, owls, and acorns. They have large maple leaves, owls, and the large wooden words from last year that say thankful and gather. They have large acorns, pumpkins, and turkeys. I keep wanting to call them peacocks. Back there are some color your own ornaments in foxes and apples. So friends, thanks for tagging along with me to Dollar Tree. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, leave me any comments or suggestions in the comment section below. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. It is absolutely free. Click the notification bell, remember to share this video, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post 3 times per week. In case no one has told you yet today, you are a masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today.